Okay guys, so in this one we're going to implement Twitter Bootstrap. If you already know how to do it, you can actually skip this part and do it yourself. If you don't, you can just follow along. We're going to go to getbootstrap.com and then click on Getting Started. That's going to show this. Scroll down to Basic Template, click on Few Examples, and go ahead and click on Navbar, that example right there. It's going to pull this up. We're going to do an inspect element here, and we are going to copy everything. Actually, we're going to do view source here, copy this whole thing, go back into Komodo Edit into our base file. Underneath what you see there, just hit paste, and then what we're going to do is we're going to take this block content and we're going to put it underneath the Jumbotron in a new div class called container. Put it there. Alright, can get rid of this stuff up here now. And now we need all of our style sheets and stuff like that. So back in here, let's click on the Bootstrap first. We'll save this as, go into your project, into your static, and then we'll call it CSS folder. And within that CSS folder, save Bootstrap, go back in here, change this to going like this, to static. Alright. You can close that one, scroll down to one and do navbar. It's just some navbar information, so we can save that. File, save page as, navbar.css. Alright, go back in here. Let's make sure that we have the file done correctly. A couple of JavaScript files there that we need to grab. So copy this. It's going back 2 directories, so we can just put it right just like that. File, save page as. It's JavaScript, so we're going to go back up one into static. New folder, JS. And it looks like we didn't get the white space, so file, save as. Delete all that stuff. Make sure you're in the JavaScript. Alright, now let's change these. Let's copy this, just static actually. Copy that and put that there. Now we have to do the same thing with respond. So let's go back, grab this stuff, paste it there, and save as. Alright, go back, and let's scroll all the way down. There's a couple other JavaScripts that we want. This is jQuery. We're actually going to leave that out for now. I'm going to grab the Bootstrap one, save this as Bootstrap. Alright, we can close that and close that. So now we have the navbar. So we needed to get that jQuery stuff, so let's go to jQuery.com, scroll all the way to the bottom. This is where the content delivery network is, so we're going to link that down here. We're just going to change this to the content delivery network one, and then this right here, just change all that stuff to static. Save it. Now make sure your project's running, press enter, and it looks like we now have Bootstrap installed. It's pretty much ready to go. We are on our home page here, so we can change navbar example to, let's call it to welcome home. And what we'll do and how we'll do that is block Jumbotron title. And this is arbitrary. You can call it whatever you want. All the block names, you can call them whatever you want. It's just a nice way to dynamically do stuff. So if we go back into home, open that up, and instead of it saying welcome home, we take this out Save it, and there we go. So now welcome home's up there. Search is down here, and if we do ABC, ABC actually might not return anything. Oh, it did. Let's just do Newport Beach again. And there's all of our list of stuff. Cool, so far it's looking pretty good. Of course now we need to actually set up everything so it's not looking exactly like this. Like if we go to our location there, we don't want the Jumbotron to be there at all. So let's actually get rid of that. Go into base, and we will change this, take this out, go into home here and just put Jumbotron, and then let's change this from block title to just Jumbotron, block Jumbotron. Put this title in here. Oops. Grab that in block, put that under there. Now block Jumbotron, we'll go back into base and in block. That's actually how I prefer to do it. That way on other pages the Jumbotron's not showing up, and if we go home it is. Okay, so that's implementing Bootstrap. As you remember, it's pretty easy to do, and of course we are going to make some changes to it as we go forward, but for now we have that set up, so things will look at least a little bit nicer as we start building our site. All right, see you in the next one.